If you are a DIY person, you are someone that loves to make their things themselves, you love to experiment, you love to have your things in handy, you love them fresh. And aloe vera plant is one of those plants that you make use of frequently, but you are struggling to grow them bigger as the store bought own. Here are some tips that can help you grow your aloe vera plant bigger. Thank you for coming back to my returning viewers. You are my encouragers. Thank you very much. If this is your first time on this channel, welcome. Thank you for joining the encouragers. Do not forget to subscribe so as to support this channel grow faster. Now let's get into the video. The tips for aloe vera to grow bigger is one, aloe vera loves water so much. Now let me tell you this. Aloe vera is a plant that is full of water. It is basically made of water. So if aloe vera does not generate or get water from its source, the source will then take water from the aloe vera plant. That means the source will dehydrate the aloe vera plant, and then you find your aloe vera growing thinner and weaker. You can see here that these aloe vera plants are so healthy, but they are not growing bigger. The difference between this aloe vera plant versus is that just one of those verses can retain water more than the other three. You can see here that the floor was full with water. So as water goes into the soil, it comes out from the flower vase. So this is not healthy for the aloe vera plant, and that is why others are healthy but they are not growing bigger. So I would just be changing one of those vases into a plastic bag, and that is what I did here. Carefully remove the aloe vera plant if you are transferring as well, but if you are freshly planting a new one, then there is no need. I do not want the aloe vera to feel like they are just starting a new growing phase. So I carefully remove them with their stem from the roots to transfer to the plastic bag so that they will just resume their growth. It will not be that they are starting their growth phase again. So I carefully removed them and transferred the same soil that I used in the plastic vase into the plastic bag as well. That is what I was doing here. I was transferring and shaking so that the plants can go into every corner of the plastic bag. So after I was done transferring some of those soil into the paper bag, I carefully carried the plant. This is one of the plants. You can see me carefully carrying them with the soil, the roots, the stem, everything, carrying them carefully into the paper bag and fixing it gently, arranging it, shuffling the soil to make the plant comfortable in the new environment. And I am just supporting it with a little soil, adjusting it. You can see in the process I ended up breaking one of the plants, but not to worry, I still have so many plants to grow bigger in a few days. And then I did the second thing for the second plant. Now another tip for aloe vera. The first tip, as I mentioned, is aloe vera needs enough water. The plant itself is water, so it needs enough water to grow big. So you need something that can retain water for the plant to grow big. The second tip is aloe vera likes light source. So you put it where the sun will rise, so that when the sun is rising, it rises on the plant. Morning sun is what is more crucial to the plant, and that is it. This is the end of the transplanting. You can see the aloe vera plant looking good, looking healthy, but not big. An aloe vera plant grows fast. In 2 to 3 weeks, You will see them growing bigger and growing to your taste. At the end of the transplanting, the sun has already risen on the plant, and I am just going to pour water into the plastic bag, and it will retain the water very well, as this is the number one thing that my aloe vera needs. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye.